I gotta put on these fucking shades right here, cause niggas is always in my business. But y'all niggas on the shit list. I ain't even know that. Cool. You already fucking know. Y'all up on the shit list. You already fucking know that I'm here with this dope. Y'all up on the shit list. Y'all up on the shit list. You already fucking know. But I get this dope. So much dope, I can't even hold. God damn. Nigga, I don't even wanna go home. Nigga, I'm about to buy me a home. Nigga, you already fucking know though. You already fucking know. That when I wear these shits though, shit. I wake up in a womb. I wake up in a womb. I wake up in a womb. I wake up in the womb. You already fucking know that I'm here to get this dope. You already fucking know. You already know. You already fucking know. I'm here to get this dope. I'm here to get this dope. I'm here to get this dope. You already know. I'm here to get this dope. Fuck with me, you get fucking choked. Put your ass up in a trash can. Chopped in four. Chopped in four. 3. Whoa, 3 is not there. I forgot I changed my fucking shit. My shit over there on the chair. And I put on this blue shit. But this shit black and white. So I'm on my cool shit. You already know. 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 You already know that I'm here to get this dope. Yeah. You already know that I'm here to get this dope. What you say? You said something about coke? Nigga, we don't do that. Probably sell that. I ain't getting rid of that. I ain't fucking with the Mexicans in the back. I'm just here, nigga. You already know. I'm gonna get this dope. You already know. Say you already know. I'm gonna get this dope. Haircut though. You already know. You already know. You already know that the shit is slow. Slow. Why is it slow? Why is it slow? Cause I need a fucking haircut. Oh. What you mean, oh? Oh, you ain't see? You ain't see what's happening to me? Nigga, you ain't see? Shit. Damn, nigga. Yo shit hit the fan, nigga. Me and my cousin played with fans, nigga. You already know that Pedrito was sitting in quicksand, nigga, when he came through. Whoa. Well, when grandma came through, and she came upstairs, and she saw the shit all up on the floor. Before that, me, I ran up down them stairs. In the bathroom, yeah. Shit. When I see Juana, and I'm like, yo, I'm scared. Cause I fucking broke the labanico up there. Damn. That nigga Pedrito was like, yo, what the fuck? But you already know that I'm here to get this dope. You already know that I'm here to get this dope. You already know that I'm here to get this dope. Nigga, you already know that I'm here to get this dope.
You're getting better. You're getting way better.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're getting way better. I think if you roll it down.